Hi friends, this video shows how to format SSD storage using Google TV Streamer 4K device. See here I have connected this SSD storage to Google TV Streamer 4K device using this multi-port USB hub. I will show you how we can format this SSD storage. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go down, set storage. And here you can see Samsung USB drive 1 TB. Set it. Here you can see three options: migrate data, eject, erase. We have to select this option, erase and format. Select it. If you want to take the backup, you can backup. Let me format. You should be careful because this format operation will delete all data from your SSD storage. Please take backup before triggering the format operation. Let me select format. Select OK, done. So this way we can format Samsung SSD or any SSD using Google TV Streamer 4K device. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.